Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math, grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fraction equivalence and ordering. The lessons we have covered today are compare fractions in recipes, order fractions with liked and unliked denominator, order fractions, convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson that is compare fractions in recipes. Let's just start with the lesson. Does this recipe call for more blueberries or pineapple? More blueberries or pineapple. Blueberries are 1/4 cup and pineapple are 3/4 cup. So pineapples are more than blueberries. So the recipe calls for more pineapple. Let's just start with the test questions. Does the recipe call for more blueberries or pineapple? Blueberries are 1/4 and pineapples are 3/4. So pineapple is more than blueberries. Let's just start. The correct option is pineapple because 3/4 is more than 1/4. This recipe call for more salt or red pepper. Hold on. Does this recipe call for more blueberries or pineapple? So that is again the same question, more pineapple than blueberries. Okay, does this recipe call for more salt than red pepper? So the salt is 1/3 and the red pepper is 2/3. So 2/3 is more than 1/3. So red pepper you need more than salt. Does this recipe call for more popcorn or gumdrop? 2/3 cup popcorn and gumdrop is 1/3. So we have more popcorns because 2/3 is more than 1/3. For more popcorn, I selected more popcorn. Oh, I selected gumdrops. Does this recipe call for more mustard or chopped onion? So mustard is 3/8 and chopped onion is 7/8. So which is the correct option? So 7/8 is more than 3/8. So that means more onion, chopped onion than mustard. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just go back to next lesson. The next lesson is order fractions with like numerators or denominators. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So we are going to compare the fractions right there, but here you are given just the arranged form. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So we are given two options, 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. So option number 1 is the correct option, 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. We put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? Option number 1 is the correct option, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. So they all have exactly the same denominator. So you can just look at the numerators. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4 by 10, 5 by 10, and 6 by 10. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 4. Very good. 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. So option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 by 6, 3 by 6, and 5 by 6. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? That is 2 by 9, 4 by 9, and 6 by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is order fractions. Okay, use the workbooks. Convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Write 3 whole 1 by 6 as an improper fraction. So that is 3 over 1 by 6. We have to do 3 times 6, right? You need to add this one and divide it by 6. 3 times 6 is 18 and 1, 19 over 6. That is 19 by 6. Let's just start with the test questions. Right? 3 whole 1 by 6 as an improper fraction. That is 19 by 6. Option 2 is the correct option. Write 4 by 3 as a mixed number. So 4 by 3. Numerator is greater than denominator. Three times 1 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. That is 1 whole 1 over 3. That is 1 whole 1 by 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write 3 whole 9 by 10. That is 3 whole 9 by 10. 3 times 10 plus 9 over 10. 10 times 3 is 30 plus 9, 39 over 10. That is 39 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Right? As an improper fraction. 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 1, 3 over 2. That is 3 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seven times 4 is 28 and 1, 29 over 7. Sixty-seven over 9. 9 times 7 is 63. That is 7 whole 4 over 9. That is 7 whole 4 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fifty-seven over 10. That is 5 whole 7 over 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Nine whole 3 by 4. 4 times 9 is 36 and 339 by 4. Write 2 whole 4 by 5 as an improper fraction. Fourteen over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Improper means the one that is written like this is the mixed number. Let me tell you this 1 whole 3 by 4. This is the mixed number, right? You need to write it down in the improper fraction. Improper fraction means when you convert it 4 times 1 is 4 and 5, 6, 7, 7 over 4. When numerator is greater than denominator, then that is the improper fraction. Got it? Improper fraction means when numerator is greater than denominator, that will be an improper fraction. Four whole by six. Option two is the correct option. Right? Seven whole one by three as an improper fraction. 7 times 3 is 21 and 122 over 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Ten whole 1 by 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seventeen by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Okay, so we were working on grade 4 math. Chapter we are working on is fraction equivalence and ordering. The lessons we have covered today are Compare fractions in recipes. Order fractions with like and unlike denominator. Order fractions and convert, convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.